Welcome to Quick eSelling e-commerce platform learning center. Through this video, we will guide you on how to create discount coupon code for your customers. To create a coupon code, go to your seller dashboard and click on the marketing menu. Under the menu, select the option coupon codes. Further, click on the Add Coupon button to create a new discount coupon. Enter the name of the coupon here. This name is for your internal reference only. In the next column, type in the coupon code that you want to generate. Remember to make it simple for your customers to memorize and type. Here, you can write a description of the coupon that will be displayed to your customers for their information. You have to select the type of discount you wish to offer. It can be either in fixed amount or percentage of specific products in cart or total cart value. In this video, we are choosing the percentage option. Here, enter the percentage of discount that you wish to offer to the customer when they use this coupon. You can create coupons with time period restrictions. Select the start and end date for your coupon codes campaign to ensure it's applicable only during specific period. Leave it blank to make coupons applicable as long as their status is active. Up next, you need to decide the number of coupons that you wish to generate. For example, let's enter value 1000, which means that you created 1000 coupons. In the next field, enter the number of times one customer can use this coupon. For example, let's enter value 1, which means that one customer can use the same coupon once. Following this, enter the minimum purchasing amount for the coupon. This will ensure coupon is applicable only when cart value is equal or more than the amount you enter here. If your customers live across multiple regions, you can even select specific countries, states, or zip codes to make the coupons applicable for specific regions only. Set status as active for this coupon and click on Add to complete the coupon creation. Your coupon is now ready for use. To verify newly created coupon, visit your website and add any of the product to cart. Go to cart and update minimum purchasing value for the coupon. Proceed to checkout page and enter the newly created coupon code in coupon field and click on Apply Coupon. You will see the discount and shopping cart value once coupon is successfully applied. And there you have it. In a matter of 2 minutes, the coupon code is generated and verified. In this video we have learned how to create discount coupon codes for different product categories and based on various other conditions like start and end date, country, state and zip codes. Thank you for watching the video. Happy e-selling with Quick eSelling.